I am Vedansh Bahadure. I am studying in 12th standard and I am preparing for NEET examination. I will appear that examination in 2021. Shival sir is my mentor and he is guiding me. I am connected with Shival sir since a month and he is guiding me to put my efforts in correct direction and to improve my personality as well. He is guiding us selflessly and he is available to us 24/7. Basically, he is conducting some mentoring activities which is helping me a lot to improve myself, and I have improved my focus towards my studies, and which is finally leading to stepping towards my success. And I am nearing my goal because of Shival sir. Basically, I was lacking so many skills which I got from upskill videos which are made by Shival sir, and those videos are very useful and important for a student, and he makes such videos very frequently as per the need of students. Secondly, he has provided a spreadsheet which is helping me a lot to keep accountancy on each and everything I am doing. Basically, it helped me to improve my time management, and I was able to increase my efficiency and productivity as well. He made me a very good planner because that spreadsheet also included time management thing and planners. I think I should set planners, weekly, monthly, and daily planners, which was the key point to plan my each and every things of upcoming days and upcoming weeks as well as months. And another thing is that he also prioritized our health, both mentally and physically. He told us various breathing exercises which are really useful for everyone, and which those exercises are very important and useful for a student, which helped me a lot to improve my health, and which made me mentally stable and focused student. I was able to increase my focus, which finally resulted in my scores as well, and I was able to improve my scores, and all those credit goes to Shival sir. And I am sure that I will achieve all the goals I want to achieve because I am connected to Shival sir, and I have support of Shival sir, and I think everyone should have a mentor like Shival sir, because one may witness drastic changes in yourself if you follow such a mentor. And I will highly recommend each and every student to join Shival sir, because he is such a great mentor and he is helping us a lot, and he is solving our each and every problem, no matter it is a small or a big one, and he is helping us tremendously so that we can become a successful persons in our future. And I think and I wish that each and every student should get a mentor like Shival sir, because he is such a great mentor and he is a store of motivation and guidance, and he is helping us very well to improve ourselves. And I think everyone should get a mentor like Shival sir, and I wish to God for this. And I am thankful to those who told me about Shival sir, and finally I am thankful to God that he gave me such a great mentor. Thank you, Shival sir, and thank you so much.